It's a geek tutorial right here. What up, great people? It's your favorite guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall learn the Gyllenhaal jump rope trick. If you are new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, perfect your jump rope trick, or work out to the fit, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification. This trick was derived from the movie South Paw. So without further ado, let's see how it looks and get started.
Hello and welcome to the tutorial proper. I'd like us to begin with the proper grip and hand positioning for the right movement for this move. So I'd like you to clench the handles tightly with your thumbs pointing forward while your other fingers clench from down below. Then we'll move to the hand position. Alright, so we shall use some scenario here to explain better for us to get that perfect understanding of this move. Once you've gotten the grip correctly, you take the handles to the side which you begin this move from. So let's say if both hands are to be to the right side of our body, that means the right hand will be below while the left hand will be above. Now what the left hand will do in this case will be that it will bring the rope, like making a kind of winding movement towards your body from the wrist joint. Then it whips open to the left side once it's going back to its main side, and the right hand now, which is below on its side, will kind of wind outwards to create that good loop for the rope to pass. Doing it this way will avoid your rope from tangling and you get a smooth movement of the rope. To get this move correctly, your grip, your hand positioning and hand movement must sync to get a better flow for this move to go on perfectly. Now let's get a closer and more detailed look on the hands movement, because this move is all about the hands. If you don't get the hands movement correctly, you're not nailing this move correctly. That's just it. So what happens here is that once your rope is moving to your right side,
did you see that? The rope just caught my glasses. Let's see that again.
What happens here is that if you're beginning this move from your right side, for example, your right hand on the right side will be below and it will be making an outward rotation or a downward rotation kind of movement, while the left hand, which brings the handle of the other rope, will make an inward rotation. Then once it's moving out of the right side, it whips open, pointing the handles downward. So this is one of the hands movements. Practice it correctly and let's take a more closer look to get this move correctly before we move to the second hand movement, which is the clap movement. So as you can see very closely, my right hand is moving downwards or winding outwards while my left hand brings the rope, and my left hand kind of whip open once it's moving from the right side. So the clap movement is the easy method of this move, which is what Gyllenhaal used in his movie. Done this way, you bring your hands closer and you whip open when you are from the side. The strength from the whip of the rope is enough to give you that perfect clap for you to whip open for your next round of clap and whip. This move won't be complete without a perfect footwork, but if you're a beginner, I advise you to use the basic bounce footwork for this move, just like Gyllenhaal did in the movie. You can also use the single leg hop with this move. One thing I'd like you to know about the single leg hops is that the leg that goes into the hop will be the same side with the hand that does the whipping. So if you're using your left leg for the hops, the hands that whip must be your left hand. So right leg hop for right hand whip and left leg hop for left hand whip. You can also use the running in place footwork for this move to get that maximum speed, which will make it easy for you to enter the crossovers jump rope trick. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, patient and right practice makes perfect. So if you find any part of this tutorial challenging, let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to start skipping like a pro and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on our new contents. Remain beautiful, be handsome, stay fit, and most importantly, be healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.